Paperwork as a Santa Claus representative can be extensive, from contracts and terms and conditions to scheduling, calendars, and invoicing. There is a lot of paperwork that is used to protect you as a performer. Visitors will usually want to take photos or video to remember their encounter with you. This is understandable and encouraged in private settings. For more public appearances, reporters or photographers may take your image and use it for articles and other media. Though this is flattering, sometimes the photos taken or, the accompanying article itself isn't so much. There are a few ways you can protect your image. Let me tell you what has worked well for me. Before we get started, let me say that I'm in a very peculiar situation, and your circumstances will most likely differ greatly from my own. See, I have a degree in communication with an emphasis in video production. I was required to take classes on visual design, media business ownership, and a lot of other classes that cover design for social media. You may see where I'm going with this.